Hello everyone, it's time for more science in Falina Science Lair. Dun dun! For today's experiment, we're going to be making a walking rainbow. Now this experiment uses the same process that plants use to take water from their roots up to their leaves. Now, paper towels, like plants that they're made of, have a sugar compound called cellulose. Cellulose is able to resist gravity and pull water upwards through a process called capillary action. Now, when water molecules cling to other substances, like paper towel, it's called adhesion, but when they cling to each other, it's called cohesion. Now, in order for capillary action to happen, adhesion has to overpower cohesion, and that's what we're going to see in this experiment when water molecules cling to paper towel and travel upwards. Now, we'll get started. Goggles, gloves, okay, so first you need 7 jars or cups, and you're going to fill every other one with water. So water, empty, water, empty, water, empty, water. You also need 6 pieces of paper towel, and what you're going to do is fold it in half lengthwise once, and fold it in half again, so it looks like this, and you're going to do that 6 times with 6 different pieces. Now, you're going to put about 8 drops of food coloring, red food coloring, in the first jar and in the last jar. Going to add the same amount of drops of yellow food coloring to the 3rd jar, and blue to the 5th. Right. Going to give each one a little stir. Oops, I have 2 spoons. Perfect. Now what we do is you take the paper towel and put one end into the water, the other into the empty jar. And you're going to do it again. And you may have to trim the paper towel a little bit because you don't want too much of it sticking up between the jars. Okay, so now what's starting to happen is the water is going to travel up the paper towel, and then once the paper towel can't hold water anymore, gravity will kick in and pull the water down into the empty jar. And at that point, the colors will mix and we'll see what happens. So we'll let this do its thing and check back in just a little bit. Alright guys, it's been a couple hours now, and as you can see, the water's come up and deposited into the empty jars. The water colors have mixed, and now we have a rainbow. So that's it.